Hello diamond painters, my name is Anjoli. Thank you for watching. I have an unboxing of a big diamond painting. I'm going to put you on pause for a minute because I forgot the paper to tell you what it is. Alright, so I got this one from Aliexpress from the AZQSD official store. It's a 60 by 80 round drill full. We don't know how many colors yet. I ordered it on 7/12, shipped on 7/16. This one I definitely know came around the 9th. It was $29.39. I paid $27.12. It's called Drowning or Drowning Man. This one is for one of the ladies from church. We have a theater around here called Sights and Sounds Theater. And it's where Bible stories come to life. And she's seen the story of Jesus 3 times so far. And it's been out last summer and it came back around this year again this summer. And she absolutely loves it. This was supposed to come in a box. It didn't say nothing about a bubble boot on there. I looked, believe me, I looked. But it's bubble boot and look like a foam roller, so hopefully we're good. This is a big one, a 60 by 80. Well, back onto my story. They have a theater in Missouri. They have one in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. So I was going around just looking for a diamond painting for her. And I saw this and I'm like, that looks familiar. That looks like the theater poster for Jesus at Sights and Sounds Theater. Well, sure enough, it is the poster for Jesus at Sights and Sounds Theater. Wow. All right. There's nothing else in there. And so, ooh, look at those tweezers. Wow, I never got a gold pair like that. That's pretty awesome. And I always wanted this one also. Oh, wow. Let's take a quick look what we got in this nice little baggie. That's a cute surprise with the gold tweezers because I hardly get any gifts in mine. So we have the awesome, wonderful pen with a 3-placer. Cute little bracelet. 9-placer, 2 things of wax, and these awesome tweezers. And these are the sharp tip ones. I don't know if you can see that through there. There you go. Those are awesome. They're glittery. Oh my gosh. Oh, my new favorite tweezers. Hey. My other favorite ones are the blunt tip ones with the rounds. All right. Let's put that to the side. That was a cute little surprise. Let's get off the inventory sheet, which I'm used to the inventory sheet being in with the drills, but so that's the image. It's Jesus saving Peter when he was supposed to walk on the water and have faith, and he had little faith at that time, so he started drowning. No 310s. That's a shock. But it's kind of faded, the inventory sheet. Okay. It is kind of faded here. Let's see, we got some weird symbols. Hopefully the symbols are clearer than what I see on this inventory sheet. Let's see. 3865, I think that might be. Yeah, 3865. I'm showing almost 3800. Oh, 939s. That's why I don't have any 310s. 11,272. So yeah, I was expecting a lot more, to be honest, in quantity of drills. But I had 2 bags of drills, as you can see. I'll do inventory off screen, let you know what I got. I'm gonna put you on pause for 1 second. All right, I'm gonna take this wrapper off. And this is in sections, which I understand why they did it because it's so big, but it's gonna be a wreck trying to get these sections to go back down. Woohoo, almost dropped you. There we go. Get these sections to go back down straight. Get that out the way. All right, so it looks like I only have one single piece of tape that I'll be struggling with here. Nope, I thought that was it. I think it's right here. I like the tape better than the rubber bands. I think the rubber bands dig in and crinkle at the end where they're at. So, we could take a better look at these symbols. So much better than the inventory sheet. But when it's this big, I like to work off the inventory sheet. But I guess that's not going to end up happening here. So, yep, 48 colors. It's 80 by 60. This is why you guys are not on my drafting table, because with the tripod and the drafting table, it's going to be hard. This thing is going to be huge. I think this is the biggest one I have ever done. Is it? Or is it the same size as the one I did for the church? I don't remember. I did one for my church also. I think it's the same size. All right. I'm trying my best to figure out where I'm at for the angle and everything too for you guys. I'm sorry, I know. Famous, my arm's always in the shop. Let me get this stuff off the table. Give myself some more room. I don't want the video being too long either. It looks fine. It doesn't look like I'll have any bubbles or creases or any issues because it was on a foam roller in the bubble boot. Come on. The other end doesn't want to uncurl itself here. I'm trying to get it to. All right. All right. That looks bad, but I don't see this. It looks bad on camera looking at it, but I don't see it when I'm physically looking at it. Let's see what we got here. The glue comes out a whole lot on the side over here. The glue, it comes out to around here. There, I'm trying to get you guys in view. So yeah, the glue comes all the way out to right here. So that is a big patch of glue, and it comes out all the way over here too. The symbols are very clear. So I'm not going to have any problems reading this. All right. I'm going to have a problem putting the cover back down, but I'm not going to have any problems reading it. One, two, three, four, five, six sections. 6 struggling sections. But I'm gonna pause you guys when I'm struggling with this. Let's see. I don't know. It looks like the sections were even. The double-sided stickiness was put down in sections too. It looks like, to be honest. It's weird how it looks at the ends though. It could be because they cut the sections and that's why it looks like that. I don't know. The glue. Right, let's get the other one. So that looks like that's supposed to be Jesus' arm grabbing Peter. You can see his fingers. I guess they used to only wear robes back then. They didn't wear like regular shirts. So that's half of the poster. I'm gonna put you on pause while I struggle over here to close these sections. Hold on. All right, I'm opening up the other half. You can see the chart. And I don't have to open up this one too much. We're gonna get this going here. And I'll do inventory off screen and I'll let you know how it went. I'm gonna start this in September as soon as we get back from our cruise. It's gonna take me a minute to do this one, of course, but I already got a frame for it. And I'm gonna go to her house with it and give it to her. I know she's absolutely gonna love it. So that is the lower half of it. That is Peter's arm coming out of the water. And then the top half you saw was Jesus grabbing him and lifting him up. So that is awesome. I'm just gonna try to get here a little close so you can see the drill field. And I'm trying to get this glare off of it. So the symbols look easy. Right here we have a lot of different symbols. But I have a light pad. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this on my drafting table. This is so big and I haven't done a big one on my drafting table yet. So I'm gonna do inventory. And usually AZQSD is true to size. So I will also measure this. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, I'm gonna do a quick measure. So deal with me here. My little tapey paper thingy that I got from the doctor's office is 60 centimeters. So it's a little more than 60. I'm trying not to get into the shot, so please deal with me. I did not do my hair at all today, so do nothing with my hair. And it's by 79. So it is 1 centimeter off, not a big deal. I'm gonna do inventory. I just wanted to do a quick measure so I wouldn't forget and had all the drills on here and you can't even get a proper reading. All right, I'm back. Inventory is good. I just wanted, sorry for it being shaky. I'm holding the tripod. So let me fix my camera here. So that is my big giant bag of 939s. I call these the Hulk bags. We have a lot of pretty colors. I just wanted to show them. Sorry for the shadow. But these are some really pretty colors in this row. But, yep, so that was, the last color was 3865. And that is the image. You're supposed to look at it from this angle. So yeah, it's huge, so it should come out good. So that's it. When it's finished and in a frame, I'll do a video to show you guys. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I hope you enjoyed it. Again, Aliexpress, I'm sorry. Aliexpress AZQSD official store, round drill. I only paid $27.20 for it. And again, I searched this through, I was just searching for it in general. I was just looking around. I wasn't searching for this in general, but when I saw that, I was like, this looked familiar. Looked it up, then I couldn't find it again. So then I took a screenshot of the poster and I found it on AliExpress. That was it. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Bye.